Welcome. This is a production by Reboot Awareness to deprogram and reprogram you to a higher state of consciousness in the alpha state. Never listen to this while driving or operating dangerous machinery. If you're ready to allow yourself to relax into the experience, say I am.
Perfect. Now we'll start off with 3 deep breaths. Okay? Let's go ahead and take the first deep breath in, hold it, and then you'll exhale slowly through your mouth. And relax. Good. Now imagine that your eyelids are so heavy and relaxed all the muscles around your eyes. Go ahead and allow them to close. And they're so heavy they seal shut. If you'll follow my instructions, you will be able to reprogram your mind and realize your dream life in reality. Good. That's right. Now take another deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now hold it. 3 to 5 counts. And release through your mouth again, very slowly. And as you release, allow all your problems and concerns to flow out with every breath and float away. And you feel so calm, quiet, and so relaxed. That's right. Now let's take another deep breath. Know this moment you allowed your eyelids to rest. You gave your unconscious mind full permission to do what it already knows how to do best, to follow your instructions, to heal, to renew, and step fully in the timeline where you are whole, complete, and free to shift your life to the one where the wish is fulfilled. Know with every breath you take, you'll go deeper and deeper into a peaceful state and feel good. So take one more deep breath and let it out slowly. And if you focus on my voice for the next few minutes, you'll not only feel amazing, but you'll begin this journey that allows you to reprogram your subconscious mind for success while going deeper and deeper, all the way down. That's right. Now imagine a warm golden light at the top of your head, like the sun, and it's slowly descending through your body, melting away any of the stress, any doubts, any of the old stories that no longer serve you. This light, it carries the power of transformation. Yeah, that's right. So keeping your eyes closed and relaxed, I want you to test them and verify that they are sealed shut. Not yet. Now, realize if you imagine that you can open your eyes instead of being stuck, of course they will open. So, try to open them now. Perfect. Now let the relaxation of the golden light flow all the way down from your head, all the way through your body, and all the way to your toes. And just relax and let go. Perfect. Now we will go down a stairway that will lead us to a quantum door where you can place your order for your dream life. You will be relaxing with every step you take down. That will be 10 steps. So let's take the first step, 10. Letting go of anything that you don't need right now. 9. Feeling the relaxation from your head all the way out your toes. 8. Deeper now. 7. Quiet. 6. Floating in a state of calm awareness. 5. Halfway there, your mind becoming still, your body becoming heavy, your awareness becoming light. 4. Sinking deeper and deeper into the alpha state, where everything falls into place. 3. Almost there, feeling safe, feeling held, feeling free. 2. Receptive, open, peaceful, deeper and deeper. 1. You are now in the alpha state, a state where change can happen, where all your dreams can come true. Your subconscious mind is fully receptive. Your conscious mind is resting. It's quiet. And now your awareness is open to the infinite intelligence that knows exactly how to bring everything into alignment. Now I want you to imagine that you're in a hallway. And imagine that ahead of you there is a door, a quantum door, and it's surrounded by glowing light. There's a doorknob. Now, touch that doorknob and the door opens, and then step through it. Inside is the field of endless possibilities. And inside there's your doppelganger, an angelic version of you. Imagine that. And he's there to grant your wishes or your desired dream life, anything you want. It's now time to set your goal. Consider for a moment what it is you've wished for. Imagine visually or pretend you have it so the angel can see it. Take your time. Good. That's right. He already saw what you want. He knows. Now repeat after me. Everything I desire is on its way to me. I am open to receive with gratitude and trust. Good. Everything I desire is on its way to me. I am open to receive with gratitude and trust. Again. Everything I desire is on its way to me. I am open to receive with gratitude and trust. Everything I desire is on its way to me. I am open to receive with gratitude and trust. Everything I desire is on its way to me. I am open to receive with gratitude and trust. One more time. Everything I desire is on its way to me. I am open to receive with gratitude and trust. Perfect. You have completed the creation process and your order has been approved. It's already done. Be on the lookout for your order to start arriving in the next few days. Now, take a deep breath again and repeat what the next thing I'm going to say, and feel gratitude while saying it. Thank you for the abundance that's already mine. It is done. Thank you. Now I'm going to bring you back to the 3D by counting 1 to 3. And you're going to come back to the 3D feeling better than ever, filled with gratitude for the wish fulfilled. Anytime that you have any doubts, just repeat, it is already done. Thank you for the abundance that's already mine. 1. Coming back feeling energized, feeling confident, feeling the faith. 2. Knowing that you're going to be so happy. 3. Wide awake, feeling better and better. Every day you feel better and better. Namaste. I love you.